Welcome back, everybody, and now it's time to change the oil. I got the bike running, as you can see in the last video. It did give me a hard time at first, but taking the carburetor out was super simple, easy to clean. Cleaned it out in like less than a couple of minutes, and it started right up. So it's pretty common when you leave a bike sitting for a long time. So now, as you're going to see, I'm going to be changing the oil now. What I'm using today is some Castrol GTX. I'm not sponsored by them, but I'm using the 10W40 on this motor. High mileage prevents emission failure and all that good stuff. There's no emission systems on these bikes. I just got it because it's I guess it's like a durable synthetic blend motor oil. So definitely always use synthetic or synthetic blend, as I always recommend. Okay, let's get this started. Gloves. Okay. All right. I always keep forgetting which socket size is this drain plug for. Ooh, I think we're gonna have a winter chicken dinner here. 18 millimeter. You know what? I think it's a 17. Be right back. Whoa. Okay. I found the 17. Okay, you know what? Be a good idea if I put my gloves on, right? Oof. Damn, this bike stinks. Oh, that's that pan. Okay. Just need some hot motor oil coming out. My favorite part. Not to get burned by motor oil. I think this is like the first oil change I've done on this motor. Yeah, but it sure looks like it. Oh, shit. There we go. Or as the Germans would say, Scheiße. In the UK, bloody hell. Wow, it's taking a huge piss. That oil is not looking that great. Whoa. Well, that takes a leak. I'm gonna open up this right here. Make sure all the oil gets out. Here's your dipstick. Looks like we're pretty low. Yeah, we're really low now. Damn, this takes a long time. Okay, folks, well, I think you guys seen me change oil before. So that'll wrap up the winter storage challenge dilemma experience. It was pretty much nothing. I was just taking out the carburetor and cleaning it. But okay, folks, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. More videos to come. I'll be releasing some videos on the Volkswagen Beetle pretty soon if you guys are any Beetle fans out there. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.